timing, the bleeding seems to have stopped. And if you stay stable, you'll have a fighting chance.
I mean, this is actually a fairly tricky operation. Natalie needs her aortic valve replaced, but we're also going to replace the first part of her ascending aorta. She's got a great family, and we don't want to let her down today. And we're going to connect her to the bypass machine here. Heparin's in? Yes. This looks good. We'll get our line in here, and we'll be all set for Dr. Cohen to come down. So far, so good.
What's going on, Double D?
Hey, Professor. I think we're good to go.
Go.
All right. Yeah. Dr. Cohen's one of my very favorite people to scrub with, because every time I operate with him, he makes me better. Okay, the heart is arrested.
Maybe you got this stuck somewhere. I can't feel it, son of a bitch. Pull it over. Get this out of the way. You put this in wrong. It's pulled toward you. Just wait a minute. This is no good because this is all getting screwed up because you haven't done that right. You're doing the same thing. You don't understand what I'm telling you. Pull this over. Don't use your forceps. Pull this over with the forceps. You get it?
Yes.
I hope so.
She's on bypass. Her aorta's wide open. We're not playing around a golf.